Hey guys, Rahul here. In this video, I am going to show you how to download the Windows 10 ISO for free directly from the official Microsoft website. Let's begin. Open a web browser on your PC or laptop and search for Windows 10 ISO download. Click on the first link that says download Windows disk image, which is from the official Microsoft website. Once the page loads, scroll down and look for create Windows 10 installation media. Under that section, click the download now button. This will start downloading the media creation tool, which we will use to download the Windows 10 ISO file. Once the download is complete, go to the folder where the media creation tool was saved and run it. When the Windows 10 setup window opens, give it a moment to prepare everything. Next, click accept and again wait for a few seconds for it to load. Now select the create installation media for another PC option and then hit next. At this point, you can either go with the default setting or uncheck use the recommended option for this PC to choose a custom language, edition or architecture. I will stick with the default options and click next to continue. On the next screen, select ISO file and click next to choose the download location. Once you have picked where to save the ISO file, click save and the download will begin. It took me around 15 minutes to complete the download. Your time may vary depending on your internet speed. After the download finishes, click the finish button. You should now see the Windows 10 ISO file in your chosen download location. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if this guide helped you successfully download the Windows 10 ISO file on your PC.